What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't seen, I recently sold the Cobalt and moved on from that thing. It was a great car. I liked it. I'd definitely get another one, but I'm just trying to keep flipping and get a nice car that I can keep. So now we're down here to the Taurus. It's the only car I got left now, but I'm about to get rid of it. I just threw these stock tires back on. I'm surprised they are all holding air. Usually they're all flat, but they're actually holding air pretty well. And yesterday I cut the cats off of this thing. I don't know if you can see it under there, maybe. You might be able to see, I'm not sure, but it's like cut off right, pretty much at the header. That's the two front ones. I'll start it up here for you guys. I was gonna sell it. I don't know what to do with this thing, honestly. I want to just like jump it in the field and run it in the trees and stuff, but then again I could sell it for like 300. I'm thinking if I just used it for a bunch of videos and just beat the crap out of it in the field and then just scrapped it, I can get like, I don't know, hopefully like 150 bucks out of scrap money for it. And then, it's about half of it. And if you think about it, 150 bucks on a bunch of videos for it. But hey, it might be worth it. I mean, that's probably what I'll end up doing, honestly, because I'm gonna be bored and I need something. Usually I have like dirt bikes or four-wheelers to ride around this field and whatnot, but now I have nothing, so this might be the new field toy. Stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you know. I'll definitely make more videos if I plan on still stripping all the interior and making it a field toy. But right now I'm gonna see if this thing fires up. It might still be, I don't know if it will. Oh yeah. Oh, almost. That's what I got this for. Alright, got these things on here. Alright, let's fire it up now. Should start. Take it around the field now and see what I'm getting myself into. That might be the real deal breaker if I keep it or not. I don't have much gas in it, but Let's take it around the field, why don't we? Still got, let me turn this light off. It still has enough gas in it and stuff. We should be good. I just gotta use this e-brake here. That's full on the brakes right now. That's nothing. These windows are really dirty. Hopefully we don't get stuck, which we might. We might, but slow down a little bit. There we go. I think I just took out a tree. Went over a tree. Something. Drift a little. Oh yeah, we're getting sideways. So I can stick it on the outside of the car. Let's see. Hopefully this airbag doesn't go off. I'm gonna jump it though. Let's do it at like 25. Oh, that seems a little fast. It's not too bad. We're stuck. We're done for. I guess I didn't think that too well. A solution for this in the back. Let's see, let's try this. Some mats. This might work. She's stuck.